So I've got my portable elliptical exerciser here. This is great if you want to just stay somewhat active, whether you're sitting behind a desk, maybe you're just sitting down reading, or you're doing some rehab and you want to keep your legs moving, your knees and your feet and things like that. This is definitely a great way to do that. There's two ways to operate this. One, we've got a remote control. Then we also have our panel right here, which has some simple buttons. So it's super easy to use. And we're going to get all that into here in just a moment. But of course, we got two pedals here. They can go forward or backward. We've got 3 auto modes and also 12 speeds. For this demo, I'm going to go ahead and use remote control. You can see here, everything's labeled really easily. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. That is actually HR. So that's one of the modes. We've got 12 speeds there. We can change the direction and speed with HR, or we can hit mode. And this is our 3 different modes, P1, 2, and 3. Let's go back to HR. I'm going to hit start. It always starts with 30 minutes max. You'll see here it's going to blink a couple of times and then it's going to start doing its motion. That's right now is at speed 1. We can speed this up. We'll speed up a little bit more. So you can go up to that speed. If you want, you can actually change the direction on that. Hit reverse. Of course, we can just slow it down. Now, if you use the 3 auto modes, what it's going to do is it's going to be a combination of different speeds and also directions. Sometimes it's forward and sometimes it's backwards. In the manual, it does list everything that it does. And all right here, we've got also manual, auto. We can change the speed here, change the display and the direction. Right up here, you can also do a scan. It's going to tell you how long you've been doing your activity, the distance. Also, it's got a counter and the calories. Now you can see here, it does come with a mat. It's a non-slip mat, so it's not going to move around on any slippery surfaces, such as tile or wood. We can also take the remote control and just put it in there. So it's easy to go ahead and store that. Also on the top, it does have a handle. So that way it's real easy to move around. Overall, it's a great elliptical exerciser, super easy to use. I love that it does have the remote control. And I can keep some of my mobility when maybe I'm just sitting reading a book on a couch or under a desk too. Works great. Hope you found this review helpful.